If the observable universe is 90 billion light years wide in diameter, how come it's just 13.8 billion years old? Is a good question. Yes, there is something called the cosmic horizon or the observable universe. And if the universe is 13.8 billion years old, as all the best data tells us, then the furthest that a light ray can travel should be 13.8 billion light years, correct? Right? But we observe light coming from about 45 billion light years away. That tells you that the radius of the observable universe is about 90 billion light years. The radius should just be 13.8 billion light years. Why is it so that it is actually much larger than that? Well, the answer is very simple. It's because of the expansion of the universe. The very fabric of space-time is expanding. And what's causing the expansion, we don't quite know. Maybe it's dark energy that is doing it. But because the universe has been expanding, that's why we see light coming from so far away, even though it is just at most 13.8 billion years old. And how do we know that it has expanded that much? Because that light is redshifted. We see the light being redshifted. We know the characteristic spectral lines in various elements, and you see the same spectral lines, but they are shifted towards the red end of the spectrum. That's redshift, which tells you that the light has come from it has had to travel so much more because the source is moving away from you. It's the Doppler effect, essentially. If you have blue shift, as in the case of light coming from the Andromeda galaxy, then those spectral lines will be shifted towards the blue end of the spectrum, which means that it is coming towards you, and all the wavelengths are squashed. Frequencies are squashed together, and that's why these frequencies are higher, blue shifted. So that's how we know that all this ancient light that's coming towards us is red shifted, highly red shifted. Some of it is totally infrared, and that's why we have to use instruments such as the James Webb Space Telescope, that is something that only detects infrared wavelengths, because they are so tremendously redshifted that they are no longer visible. So yeah, so that's why the observable universe is 90 billion light years in diameter, even though it's just 13.8 billion billion years old. It's because of the expansion of the universe, which is accelerating.